Cleanroom engineering is the validation, certification, and approval of a clean room that has undergone a rigorous ISO 14644 certification in a medical device manufacturing environment. The modern cleanroom was invented by American physicist Willis Whitfield. Whitfield created the initial plans for the cleanroom in 1960. Prior to Whitfield's invention, earlier cleanrooms often had problems with particles and unpredictable airflows. Whitfield designed his cleanroom with a constant, highly filtered airflow to flush out impurities. Cleanrooms are used extensively in semiconductor manufacturing, biotechnology, life sciences, and other fields that are very sensitive to environmental contamination. Dynatec's approach to validating a cleanroom is a process that includes 3 key steps. The first is the installation qualification, better known as IQ. Here, the cleanroom has been built and is fully operational, but it is vacant from equipment, personnel, and product. The CRE personnel will now perform specific testing that will follow ISO standard 14644 series and any other customer requirements. The second step is the operational qualification. Here, manufacturing equipment is installed, however, personnel are not present. This phase is to determine the impact of the equipment on the clean room. Lastly, there's performance qualification. During PQ, the clean room is dynamic with routine activities, personnel is present, and production is in process. Upon successful completion, Dynatec generates a fully compliant FDA ISO report and certification record for ISO 14644 clean room classification. Achieve compliance with Dynatec Labs.